do it on a rainy day in Nebraska? What? Let's go, baby! I guess we'll find out. We got Joe out here. Brian, wallahi, you look homeless, bro. You look homeless, dog. Yo. I'm from the street, this all we know. I believe you now, you from the street? The street nigga, this all we know. Wait, watch out. Wait, well, what if we're checking stuff in? We're not? Let's check it on the game. Keep going. Alex, what's up? How you doing?
Good, how are you? Where's Brian? Oh, there he is.
Just wait a second. Yes. I don't know what we're going to do about this. If anything, we might probably just take it back to my car.
That's your playground? No! Stop, bro. You're already injured.
Can I go to the escalator, bro?
First time trying Coco 5.
Coco 5.
See what's up with it.
1 through 10, bro.
Okay. You got something going on?
Which flavor is that?
I think it's the lime.
Lime?
Coco 5 hydration.
What did it 1 through 10? 1 through 10.
Hydration.
1 through 10, what do you give it?
I'll give it a good 7.
Alright, 7 for sure.
Nothing crazy.
Coco 5, hit us up, bro. 1 through 10? It's strong 7.
What a man.
7 for sure.
They're sponsoring you?
Yeah, nah. Coco 5, hit me up, bro. Like, how much y'all got?
Let him know, let him know.
Got for me, bro.
Alright, let me try this. Today's the day he's getting deported, Daily.
I'm more legal.
Today's the day.
I'm more legal than you.
We about to forget about what we
stop,
eat.
because I had a terrible dream about that shit.
We about to forget about why we here. And Brian is getting deported.
Sign a petition, bro. Bring him back.
Hey, if you get deported, then I'm going with you. We go as a team. We go as a team.
Brian is getting deported today.
Bro, stop, bro. Asu. Don't bring that up, bro.
You think I'm playing? What do you call it?
It was a joke, bro.
I thought you were calling up. What we got going on here, man? Yeah.
I'm ready to trick or treat at the hotel.
Trick or treat in Nebraska?
Yes, sir.
You gonna go to the farm and get stuff? What's up? What's going on?
Bro. Trick or treat in corn. Do they do that?
I don't know. I'm not from here, dog.
Do you use buttered corn? Yeah.
That sounds bomb. I'm not even gonna lie.
It's a Pokemon. Alright, get
Why you laughing?
I thought it was a chicken. Get it off my face.
You don't even know your duty as an interviewer.
I've never seen.
I'm gonna take this job away from you.
I've never seen Pokemon, bro. Oh, now I see.
If Brian's gonna pass. He made it through.
Let's go. First try.
First try. Bro, that man's fucking that shit up. Look at him. G bro fucking that shit up. What's the word of the day, bro?
Fucking very demure.
God, bro, what have I gotten myself into, bro?
I mean, are we doing anything tomorrow? Are we doing anything? Yeah, we're gonna go church. Oh, real? Let's go.
What do you mean for real?
Let's go.
In Nebraska.
Yeah, let's go.
What is there even to do?
We'll go to the campus. We'll go to the Creighton campus. Yeah.
What car?
I got my costumes. I'm ready to go.
What car?
I'm ready to chicken.
Turn Jesus up. Turn Jesus up.
Bro. Why you say that so loud, dog?
I don't even know why. Oh, it is nice.
What's good? What's good?
What up? What up?
We out here. We out here in Miami.
Miami.
I just looked at
Nebraska. You wish he was in Miami. He's going to Nebraska.
I would leave you out there and just go about it. No, if that was in Miami, I would leave them just because of my own thing. I was still with the team. I was still with
What will you be doing in Miami? Olivia must see this. What will you be doing in Miami?
Olivia is crazy, bro.
She must see this.
Give me back my camera. Yo, wicked man. Yeah,
Bro, just censor that.
With us, man.
we in Omaha.
Omaha.
We made it. We made it. Here we are.
How we going, sir?
I love it.
Hey, follow the group leader. Come on.
Yeah, you see how they follow me?
Bro, shut up, bro.
They all follow me. Alright.
Take. We finna rob some shit tonight. We finna hit that lick.
What are you talking about, dude?
For real.
Nah, for sure.
Now you got GCU, man.
Brody, bro, this is the real me.
This is the
Get out of here, bro. I can't deal with you. You see this right here?
What's up, block?
This is all we about here, man. This man? Nah.
We'll get this man, bro. I like you in my.
This one on the right. 256. Why you ruining my fake check, bro? Ha! You think you guessed it. I'll call your mom on you. We always end up here somehow, yeah? Bro, who that is?
I didn't coach it. Don't do that. I just said that.
You're like GTA and you're trying to pick up your phone with God.
Bro, the zoom on this is crazy, bro. Like, I could literally see who was driving that bitch, bro.
Help! Help!
Nah, deadass, come see the zoom, bro. I see the man in there.
Ice. How does it work? Imagine that's how we cover.
Bro, come see the zoom, bro.
That's how Air Force gets full out.
Drop in the middle of the field.
Not the things you want to compensate to that. I'll just stay silent.
Come on, man. Hey, do something cool.
Woo! That's all I got.
Just a little update. We won our first 2 games, and then we got 1 more to go. We have to win the next game. I mean, it depends though, but I would say we have to win to go through. So let's see. And it's about to be rainy. So yeah, I'm excited for that. And we got Dewey right there.
Let's get this win!
Yes, sir.
W's.
All right, let's go get this W quick and then head home. So foggy out here today. Early in the morning at 9 o'clock. We gotta win this game to go through to the national. So
What made you guys walk?
it is what it is. I know you're not real.
So I was not supposed to. Caesar!
You see how you have.
Everyone in!
Hey man.
We're boys.
Champion, baby! Oh! Get out, baby! Yeah, Bruno. Membership.
Niggas, no membership, but look at them.
He needs to give me money so I could go shop. I need to go shopping.
Yes, Bruno.
Internationals, baby!
Oh, he's done.
I'm done.
One more.
Get fucked. Throw those pizzas away. Yeah, want me to drag it back, please? That's good. Who's getting the ball back?
Brian, get the ball back.
Oh, sorry. Get the ball back. I'll grab the ball back. Bruno.
Hurry up. I'm looking.
Just squeeze it across.
The team manager.
Ryan,
Hey,
can I help you?
pick it up.
Can I help you carry
Hey,
the bag?
stop dragging it. Pick it up.
Carry your bag.
This bag?
Yeah.
We can't carry this bag.
You want to drag? Business trip done. We about to get out of here. It was fun being here in Nebraska. Something cool, you know. But now we're leaving business trip. So, where we at?
Las Vegas. I can gamble.
We in Vegas, baby. Bro, we just landed, bud. Look at this man right here.
Oh,
Look at this man. Ah, do it. There's your happy place.
Guys, we're going to nationals on this.
There's your happy place, Dewey.
dude, I'll give you $5. I'm so serious.
Press one. What?
Here we go,
dude.
Here we go.
Press one. Why are you playing 1 cent?
We win. You won 80. 80? All right. Again?
That's how they get you, bro. That's how they get you.
Okay, but the next spin could be the big one.
That's true. That's true.
Hey, 150s. I don't know what that means.
I only have $2.60 left.
Nope, that's not
Is everybody 21 over here?
Yeah.
Everyone, keep your next 21.
Animal safety. This one. Get out. Get out.
You get the memo.
Get out of it.
Why are you here?
Get out of it.
Why are you here?
I'm serious. The library is amazing. Are you listening to that man? Oh, nice. You are so real. Where are these strangers? Strangers. Oh man. Hey. Seen really Vegas. You know what that means? I just lost my money, by the way.
The message they got you, bro.
They got me.
Got you, bro.
But like we in Vegas, you know, it's just a little.
Get that man over there. Looking cute, bro. Having his meal looking cute, bro.
Hey, just a random dude. What's your name, sir? It's just a random dude, you know. I don't know that man. He got the GCU gear. Oh, does it say regional champions? Regional soccer champions. Oh,
there we go.
Nice meeting you, man.
Bro, they got some good food out there, bro. I see that Chinese fried rice, nigga.
First of all, we went to a Popeyes. First of all, we went to a Popeyes, right? And they had a sandwich, the combo for $20. And then just the sandwich for $11. And you would imagine,
2 black college students. What did we do? What did we do?
Guess what I did?
What did we do?
I look at the price, I look at this man, I went, it was not making sense. That shit wasn't making sense in my head. But like this man right here, Chief of Minister. What we got here?
We got some chow mein, hollow mein.
Yo, man, I'm not touching no. But let's go.
What you get, bro?
Life is just not making sense for us.
$6.
Hey, random dude. How you doing?
This man rich.
$6.
I heard you're from Vegas, right?
I'm from Vegas, baby.
Yeah, how you doing?
I be gambling every day.
Yeah.
You dead ass from Vegas?
No, I'm from Vegas. I'm from California.
He's a random man. Shut up.
No.
I'm from California.
Papacita.
If he says moving.
You know how to.
Wait, you didn't we win?
What's the word?
Double or nothing.
On what?
You go big or go home.
$30.
$30.
After we lost $70.
Caesar, let's put that 30 on slot machine, bro. If you win, take it, bro.
That man's an addict, bro. He's an addict. Can we do it on a rainy day in Nebraska or what? Let's go, baby. I guess we'll find out.
It's windy with a bit check.
It's very windy. Today. I think we play right here though.
Yeah.
Alright, right here. As you can see, we got no goals. We got the flags right here. But you know what? It's gonna be a great day. So that's what we're putting live in Nebraska. See you guys soon. Back.